Alright, so hey, welcome back again. I know this is taking a long time, but you know, quality takes time. Now we've had a change of plans. You see Mr. Copperhead in here. Yeah, well, he's 75. I was actually able to get 50 grams in here, so we've got our base at 35. 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Well, like I said, it's a test. So I don't know. Those weights are right to the roof. So I think these two are going to do the best on my track. But first, I actually recut all the weights. I recut them all. And I want to talk about this right here. I mean, this right here. So, the reason why this Mustang's so heavy, I haven't done it the way I did these. About 119 grams. .37. That's the interior with the side pipes, with the front bumpers and the tail. Now this has no side pipes. It wouldn't fit down the damn track. Cut the tail off, cut the front bumper down so it could fit down the track. I actually made a mold of silicone of this. Yep, a silicone mold, and filled it full of lead. So these pipes you're seeing on top are lead. The whole interior is lead, plus some extra weights that fit perfectly in that hole. So that's enough of that. So now I recut the weights, made them better. Here's our base model. We're going to move over here and concentrate on that a little bit. 35.68 base plus 10 something. We got 44 and a half. Okay, good enough. There's no screws in these, so I got to be careful. I got them all matched up, all lined up. Don't screw up the top and bottoms. There's 35, 45, 50, well, 54. Alright, well, you know what I'm getting at. There's 65. And I'm including the Copperhead because hey, come on. He's 73, close enough to 75. And that'll give me 6 cars. And I was able to get 50 grams in this. And that's 85. So, yeah, I don't know how it's going to do. But like I said, this guy, I did a wheel swap, 119 more or less, and he goes down the track fine. So this guy might be okay. This will be okay. Not sure about these guys. So next we're going to do, well, I said epoxy, but well, we'll do epoxy. But I still got to do threading for the screws. And I don't know if I have enough screws. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And he's missing one. So we'll do the epoxy. Next. Alright, so here's how we're going to do this. This guy's done. He's got screws. Get him out of here. This guy and this guy we're done talking about. Get him out of here. Sorry about that. Alright, this guy's done. That's our base. Get him out of here. Take these four. Don't screw up the tops again. Take that out. Put that in. Just going to squirt a little bit onto a piece of scrap. I need some scrap. Hang on. Alright, so the old one wasn't working, so we got a brand new one. Alright, we got a nice flow going there. I'm going to put a little drop in here. You can see that, right? Because this stuff goes everywhere. As you can see, it just drifted. Push it down a little bit. And that's that for that one. This guy, the problem child, I believe. Yep, the one with the drill bit stuck in. Now on these guys with 2 or more weights, I'll only do one at a time. Got a piece of sawdust on here. I don't like touching damn epoxy. Alright, so squeeze. A little drop on the bottom. Is this backwards? Yes, it's backwards. No. Damn it, I got epoxy on me. Alright, now it's forwards. Alright. Put that on the bottom. And you only want to, damn it, I keep touching that. Use a little bit, because you don't want it to squish out and go into the axles. This one's only 2 little pieces, so I'll put a little drop on here. And again, this is why I only use this when I'm doing multiple cars, because you're gonna waste this. It's gonna harden in the tube, and that guy drops in there. Touch it a little bit. All right, he's done. 10, 20. Here's number 30. And I still got epoxy on me. Stuff is so hard to get off. Now see how that floated and on the top of this? Because like I said, the sides taper down and in, so you put the littler one on the bottom. The littler, is that even a word? Littler? The smaller one on the bottom and the big one on top just got more room. Plus some of these I actually modded to take out the back. Took out the back a little bit, but left these axle holders. That's very important. Alright, so let's take this out. Make it 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Yeah, this is 30. Which way do I go? That one? Yeah, that one first. Alright, get this back on here and make sure it's where it's supposed to be. There it is. So they all look the same, yeah. Alright. A little bit in here, and so on and so forth. Not too much. It will drip out and mess up your axles. Did I just put that in the wrong direction? Yeah, I did. I thought this fit in there. No, that's the one for the top. Alright, so I'm screwing up again. Hold my beer and watch this. No, because see, that don't work. I just had this fitting, and that don't work. How the heck did I do this? This guy was down here. See what a pain in the ass this is? Alright, it was down there. A little bit on top. Now this method, yeah. This method, I'm sorry. This method works for me. Some races say we don't want to see your weights, so you got to take the windshield and black it out with spray paint, but don't do it in here. It'll get paint all over it, you know. But for testing, I really don't care. Okay, now this big guy here, we got 35, 45, 55, 65. We got 75 with the copperhead. This is going to be 85, which are these big pieces, and they barely fit. Oh, and this guy goes in the front. So that's the back. That fits. Okay, that's the first guy. I got CRS, can't remember shit. So we're going to put the first guy in. Add a shot of juice. Stop. Let it drip out. Drop this guy in. Maybe he goes this way. There we go. We're still on track. These are the most difficult. Because they like to slide. I got sawdust all over my tip. Push that down. Make sure this stays in place. Put another drop. That's all you need. Get another mosquito on me. I'm going to put this on and move it back a little bit because the windshield comes up. And this guy kind of goes in the front and doesn't need any epoxy. Why? Because it's touching the roof. Alright, we're going to let that dry and we'll come back later. Thanks for watching. We will tap some holes and put in some screws. I may have to order screws. I have to check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the Mustang needs one too. So I'll have to look for my screws. 2-52 screws. They're 252s. I had 442s, but they're kind of a little big. Alright, I'll show you that later. Let's got to get washed up and get this epoxy off of me. And the mosquitoes are out here. It's getting late tonight. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out my other channels.